Don't touch my pizza, don't touch my jelly. I'll make you fear me like I did Cheletsky. You touch my pizza, you're going to have to die. Write up all your farewells, bid your buddies goodbye. Wackiness that you can't handle, take your teammates for example. They'll try to have me wrangled, I left them strangled, dude. From a friend to a friend to a body, in your head like my name's Kumkati. I'll wash your guts off my fur cause it's getting bloody. Is it your death day? Think I forgot it. Since it's not over, let's go to your coffin. I'm sorry 2 times for cleaving through your skull. Here's a knuckle sandwich, you're getting a mouthful. Toss you in my freezer, turn you into a Klondike bar. I don't know where you're going, but you aren't going far. Shatter you to pieces once I hit you with my car. And if you somehow live, I know this song will leave you scarred. Just a reminder